Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel rubalsolutions. First of all, happy Lohri everyone. Happy Lohri to all the family and friends. Happy Lohri to all the subscribers. Let's begin and know about the Lohri festival. Lohri is a popular harvest festival celebrated with much joy and enthusiasm across the nation on January 13 every year. It is celebrated mainly in the northern states of India by people of Hindu and Sikh faith. Lohri Day is decided based on Hindu calendar. It is also called as Lohadi or Lal Loi. Lohri is a day before Makar Sankranti. On this day, people get together with community members and light a bonfire to give a warm welcome to the longer and warmer days. According to some popular beliefs, the festival is a celebration to mark the end of peak and harsh winter. Lohri festival is linked to harvest of rabi crops. People perform folk dances such as Gidda, Bhangra and enjoy. People distribute roasted corn, gurh, gachak to their close ones to mark the celebration. Kite flying event is also popular on this occasion. So I hope you like this small video on Lohri celebration. And please enjoy. Happy Lohri. May God gives you all you want. And thank you so much for all the support you are giving to rubalsolutions. We are growing day by day. And with God's grace, we are moving ahead. Thank you. And last but not the least, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is rubalsolutions. Bye bye.